Ever wondered what are the essential items in a lay-flat cosmetic bag for travel? Well, you're not alone. A well-packed cosmetic bag can be a traveler's best friend, a trusted companion in unfamiliar territories. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter with countless passport stamps or a first-time adventurer ready to venture into the unknown, a well-stocked cosmetic bag is key. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. With the right items in your cosmetic bag, you can turn any travel experience into a luxurious adventure. So, what are these essential items we're talking about? Let's dive right in. First up, travel-size skincare products. Maintaining your skincare routine is crucial, even when you're jet-setting across continents. The change in climate and air quality can take a toll on your skin, so carrying your trusted skincare products in travel-friendly sizes can be a skin saver. Next, we have miniature makeup essentials. These are perfect for those quick touch-ups or for transforming your day look into a sultry night one. Plus, they take up minimal space, leaving room for more of your must-haves. Don't forget a compact mirror. This little tool will ensure you're always looking your best, whether you're in a bustling city or atop a serene mountain. Then we have multi-purpose wipes. From refreshing your hands to wiping down surfaces, these are a traveler's best friend. They're compact, convenient, and incredibly versatile. Moving on, we have travel-size perfume. Smelling good is just as important as looking good, and carrying your favorite scent with you can make you feel more at home, no matter where you are. Our sixth essential is a good lip balm, because no one likes dealing with chapped lips, especially when you're on the go. And lastly, hand sanitizer. To keep germs at bay during your journey, this is a must. It's small, it's practical, and it's a crucial part of any travel kit. Remember, the key is to choose items that are multi-purpose and can fit comfortably in your bag. Now that we've revealed the essentials, let's summarize why they're important. First, we have the multi-purpose moisturizer, a true lifesaver. It keeps your skin hydrated and glowing no matter where your travels take you. Next, the mini makeup palette, compact yet comprehensive, offers a wide range of looks in one small package. Don't forget about the travel-size sunscreen, your best defense against the harsh rays of the sun. Remember, the sun shines everywhere, not just at the beach. Then there's the lip balm, a small item that makes a big difference in keeping your lips soft and smooth. Lastly, the portable makeup remover wipes are essential for those long travel days when you just want to freshen up quickly. With these items, not only do you save space in your bag, but you also ensure that you have everything you need to look and feel your best. With these essentials in your lay-flat cosmetic bag, you're well equipped to travel in style and comfort, so pack your bag and get ready for your next adventure.